What's up, everybody? It's Rebecca-Louise, your favorite trainer, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are doing an active, pumped up, full body workout. Oh yes, we are gonna hit from head to toe, get that heart rate up, and just feel amazing. Remember, most people say that they come for the workout, but Alfie, what do they leave with? They leave with a changed mindset, and that's all down to how we think. Because when we look at things differently, the things that we look at change. So if you're like, oh, I'm dreading this workout, I don't know how it's gonna be, you are gonna dread this workout. But instead, we're gonna say, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna enjoy it, we're gonna sweat, and we're gonna feel the burn. So Alfie is ready to fire us up. Let's get going with today's workout. Well, this is Alfie's pumped up face. So if your face looks like this, I need you to change your state and give yourself a big smile, because if you want to get a great workout today, it all starts with your mindset. Alfie, give us your best pumped up smile. Right, that is what we're going to get out of Alfie today. So Alfie, let's see if you're going to join us for today's workout. Take a little seat. We've even updated our set, and this chair is perfectly for you. You look amazing. All right, does anybody remember the workout that we did where Alfie was dressed as a gnome? If you want to check that out, it's Jessica Alba's abs exercise workout, and Alfie is dressed as a gnome on a chair behind me. So we're going to get started. Today, we have got 45 seconds of exercise. We got a 15-second rest, and we are going to blast through it. We're going to have so much fun. We're going to keep moving our body. Remember, it's all about being active. We got modifications are all the ways up here, so if you need to just change things up a little bit, we can do that. First exercise, you're going to reach up, you're going to tap down to your left and your right foot. So what I'm going to think about right here is pushing those feet down into the ground. Those knees go out to the side. You reach up nice and high and like shoot your arms up, right? Pull that core in nice and tight, and then give me a slight little twist as well. So you're working those oblique muscles as well as the lower body, shooting those arms up to the sky, and then just take a little look from side to side. So that's it. Core is engaged, pushing those knees out to the side. Give yourself a smile, and here we go. We are going to crush it today. Ooh, just remember, every single movement that you make is adding up. It all makes a difference to how you feel. All right, push those arms up, and here we go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, take a quick breath. You're feeling a little bit fired up. Alfie's giving himself a little bit of an itch, and we're going to take into our second exercise. We're going to do a nice big hip opener, and we're going to take on one side, take that squat, then bring that leg up, over to the side, and then push that knee out. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So big circle, and then push those knees out, squeeze all the way up, and stand. That's it. Here we go. So bring those knees out to the side, standing up nice and tall. You pull that core in, so push all of that weight onto that supporting leg, and boom, out to the side. That's it. Think about bringing a nice big semicircle, keeping that chest lifted, and smiling with every single rep that you do. Because we're going to talk a little bit about mindset. You girls know that as we come for these workouts, we get so much belief in what we can do. Right? If you start to hold a plank for 30 seconds more than you've done before, you pick up a heavier weight than you've ever done, you start to realize, my goodness, I didn't even know I was capable of this. And what I want you to do is start to use that in your day-to-day life. All right, I'm going to take it over to the other side. Take a nice big inhale together. Hold at the top. Exhale everything out. Shake it out. Dance it out. 3, 2, 1. Over to the other side. Remember, it's all about having fun. It's just moving your body. We're talking about being active. Whether you're going out for a walk, whether you're getting some stretching in, you know, if you're just hanging out with your friends, right? What can you do? If you want to catch up and have a chat, go for a nice walk. Get out in nature. Do these workouts together, right? Anything to get your body moving is going to help you mentally as well. All right, that's it. Really push that knee out. I want you to keep the chest lifted. That's it. Push those knees out. Push those heels down into the ground. You have got 10 seconds right here. Let's keep this going. And breathe. So often when we're exercising, and even when we're stressed in life, we forget to breathe. Last one, and release. All right. Alfie, you're doing phenomenal. Absolutely amazing. Crushing it today. All right, next exercise, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take it into a wood chopper, but we're also going to bring that knee in towards our chest. So you take it down to one side, you reach up, put that weight back here, all the way up, and then take it back down. So think about a couple of different motions. So up, bring that weight back, knee in towards your chest, lift, and take it down. Everyone's like, oh my goodness, I've got to use my brain right here. Oh yes, don't worry, we're going to be doing this a second time. And that's all exercises are, is learning how your body moves in each different position. Lift those arms up, pull that knee in towards your chest, shoot those arms back up again, and all the way through. And again, if you want to make this more challenging for yourself, you can just add in my ankle weight, you can add in weight, right? Something that's just going to push you a little bit further. Nice work, everybody. Come on, keep this going. Twist that core, bring that knee in, shoot those arms up, and gently release. Again, take a nice big breath. Stay focused. Exhale everything out. What we're going to talk about today is how you can change your state in an instant, right? How you can create more energy. So we're going to come down to the ground. Let's take over to the other side, lift, and then bring that knee in. You're giving them a great little cheer there, Alfie. All the way down, shoot those arms up, knee in towards your chest, and then bring those arms out, right? So how do we create a little bit more energy for ourselves? Well, number one is that we gotta protect our own energy. Think about it. If you just have, say, I'll give you 10 energy balloons, and you wake up in the morning and you see an email that kind of like, gets you a bit frustrated, right? You just give away one of your energy balloons rather than saying, no worries, that's all good. I just get to learn and grow from this. Maybe then you're making your shake for breakfast in the morning and all of a sudden it spills all over the floor and you get mad about it, right? You got 2 energy balloons that have already gone and you haven't even got to 8 a.m. Maybe not even 7 a.m. Maybe then something else happens. You know, you're supposed to have a meeting and somebody cancels on you. You're frustrated again. So instead of allowing other people to take your energy balloons, just roll with it. All right, we're gonna go back to the top. So reach up and then tap down to the ground. Now, we all get to a point where we get frustrated, right? When we lose our cool because we care about something. And that's okay. Don't beat yourself up for that. But just learn how quickly can I grab that energy balloon back. And I believe that you can. If you hold on to something all day long, that has something that's happened to you, that energy balloon just keeps the same one, gets popped and popped and popped and popped again. Rather, all you could do is you can re-blow up that energy balloon. So whatever it was that was frustrating you, could you let it go and bring back that energy? Here we go. All the way up, push those knees out to the side for 3, 2, 1, and release. Great job, everybody. How are we feeling? Happy? Give him a clap. Give him a clap. Yes, that's his hands actually clapping right here. That's what he's trying to do. All right, we're going to take it into those hip openers with the squat. So let's start off with that right leg first. Pull that core in nice and tight. Get yourself in state. And here we go. Open up to the side. Knees out. Push and squeeze all the way up. Now you can have your hands on your hips. You can even have them out to the side. If you want to make it even more challenging, you can bring your arms up over the top of your head. It's actually going to work that core a little bit more. I love it when I get something that rhymes. Here we go. All right, all the way up. Now bring that knee nice and wide out to the side, lifting up through the chest as you push down into those heels. Remember, the squat is all about in the heels. Stand up, over to the other side, and then breathe through this. Come on, every single rep you are doing right now, it makes a difference in your life. It makes change. It makes your body morph. Now, you might be able to see the results immediately, okay? It's gonna take time. But if you're like, hey, I'm doing these workouts and I'm just not even seeing any results, 2 things. Number 1, you're doing it for your health, right? Don't just think about, oh my goodness, I don't have flat abs. My butt isn't like perfectly curvy and perked out the other side, right? Doing it because your body needs it every single day. Number 2 is that nutrition is key. Now, it's so funny. When I get a new client started on their nutrition program, they always say to me, Rebecca, I've been following you for a couple of years. And for a couple of years now, I've been hearing you say that 80% is nutrition and 20% is fitness. And you're right. And I'm like, I know. I had to figure it out too. And people wait years and years and years to start a nutrition plan with me. But I'm telling you, it really is key. You can't out-train a bad diet. And when you get great food in your body, when you get great nutrition and nutrients, you just feel so different. You feel amazing. So if you haven't tried it yet, join the free 5-day Better You program. You get one of my amazing coaches. You get connected with me as well in a group chat. And it's so much fun. We put on special retreats for our clients who are part of the nutrition plan. And you can also get loads of the nutrition stuff inside the BTS app as well. All right, here we go. Over to the other side. Well, we started with this way. All the way up. Lift those arms up. Knee towards your chest. In and extend. Inhale through your nose. Exhale everything out. And then bring that knee in and shoot those arms up. twist that core. I don't know. Alfie is being very daredevil right now. Alfie, if you can just make it through this first 10 minutes, we're going to give him a little, he's still going through his chemotherapy, right? He's still got cancer. He's got lymphoma cancer right now, but his hair's grown back. He's looking a little less scrabbly. All right, here we go. Lift those arms up. Now, can you get a little bit lower with that lunge? Bring that knee in towards your chest. That's it. Take it down to the side. Inhale and exhale. Bring that knee through. All the way up. Give me one more. Bring that knee in and squeeze. All right, over to the other side. Great job. Can you give me pull? Yes! Oh my goodness. He never does that. Never. He's like, please. Mom, I'm doing so great. All right, let's take it over to the other side. So down to the ground, core is engaged. Lift up, bring that knee in towards your chest. Shoot those arms up. All the way, twist. That's it, just moving your body. Can you already feel like your heart rate is up? Now remember, if you want to make this more challenging, you can speed everything up. You can take it down to the ground, shoot those arms up higher, bring that knee in towards your chest, all right? But what we're doing is we're talking about being active, actively moving your body on a daily basis. All the way, shoot those arms up, knees in towards your chest. Inhale and exhale. Come on, you're doing such a great job. You have got 15 seconds rest to go of this exercise. The last time that you were doing it, let's see if we can just speed it up for the final 5 seconds. Lift those arms up, bring that knee towards the chest. Give me one more all the way through. Lift and squeeze. Oh my goodness, doesn't that feel good? Just to move your body, change our energy, and these don't take our energy balloons away, not our mindset energy balloons. So great job, everybody. Make sure that you check out a bunch of my other workouts. If you haven't already downloaded my app yet, BTES stands for Burn, Tone, Elevate, and Strengthen. It's got daily workouts in it, no ads that they have on YouTube, and a whole bunch of mindset sections, recipes, and everything that you need to help you stay on track. So download it for free, check it out, and we'll see you on our next workout. Love you guys. Say bye, Alfie.